Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to redeem Overwatch loot box code in 2025. That is Overwatch 2 redeem code guide. So the first thing that you are going to do is simply open your PC, then navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and type in battle.net login. Hit enter and you'll be shown different search results. From these, you'll have to click on the one that says account.battle.net login. So you'll have to click on this battle.net login link and it will take you to next page. Now, on this page, if you already have an account and you're signed in, you'll be taken to this page. If not, you'll be taken to this page. If you'll not be logged in, you'll be taken to this page. Now, if you already have an account, you can log in. If not, click on create a free battle.net account and create a new one. Now, if you already have an account, you can sign in with Google, Facebook, Apple, Nintendo, PlayStation, Xbox, and Steam. Or you can just enter your email ID or your phone number, then enter your password that you have created for your battle.net account and click on login. Now, this will instantly take you into your battle.net's account where you will see your account overview. Now, here you will see that you have your profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Now, when you click or hover your mouse over this profile icon, it will show up these options where you'll have to simply click on the one that says redeem code. When you click on redeem code, it will take you to this page where you can easily redeem any code that you want. So as you can see, you can enter a code to redeem games, game time, in-game items, or battle.net balance. So you'll have to simply enter the loot code that you have in this section. So just enter the Overwatch loot box code that you have in this section and click on the redeem code button that you are able to see here. Now when you will click on redeem, you'd have to just follow the prompts provided at the next step and you would have successfully redeemed your code. So that is a simple way through which you can redeem Overwatch loot box code in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.